Latex agglutination is a simple yet elegant way to find out if an individual has antigen present or if they have produced antibody against a particular antigen. In either case, the concept involves coating latex or polystyrene beads with either antigen or antibody that will interact to form a lattice and agglutination when the reaction occurs. The end result will be a visible difference that can be seen. To begin with, we're going to initiate latex agglutination using controls. So we will have controls that include a negative control, a positive control that's relatively weak, meaning that it must have less antigen or antibody present, and then a more concentrated, a higher level of either antigen or antibody. Now, to these components, we have to add the latex component that will either have antigen or antibody. And so that's the next step. We will add our latex coated with either antigen or antibody. So remember, if you want to find an antibody, you find it with latex coated antigen. If you want to find an antigen, you look for it with latex antibody coating latex beads. Now, the next step is to allow this to interact or mix it. So we will mix it. Then it will have to be placed on a rotator or a mixer for a few minutes. Every test has its own prescribed duration. Now that these are mixed, we can rotate them, and in a moment or two we'll be able to see if there's a difference between these three areas as we rotate them. So in a moment I will show you the results of latex agglutination between antigen and antibody.